Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power lift gate, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.